This kind only come out by prayer. By Mark chapter 9 verse 29. Everything na ipinagdarasal mo, itinatangi ng puso at isipan mo, iniluluhod mo sa Panginoon, ini-entrust at sinusurrender mo lahat sa Kanya, it will come to pass. Surely, He will give it all to you. Kasi whatever He desires for you is kung ano yung best, kung ano yung right, kung ano yung 100% makapagpapasaya ng puso mo. It's just in His perfect and amazing time. Bakit ka maiinip? Bakit mo sasayangin or uubusin yung oras mo, yung panahon mo, kakaisip kung kailan ba darating ito? Why not put it into action? Do an act. Prepare for your victory. Prepare for your celebration, di ba? Enjoy each seconds na ikinaloob niya kasi you will never be alone and you will never be alone. God is always in you and be prepared, be excited for this amazing victory na ikinaloob niya, inilalatag niya, hinihahanda niya na para sa iyo at tanging sa iyo lamang. Be amazed, always share your blessings.